Welcome back. In this quick video, we'll be replacing this floppy trunk lock actuator on a 2012 G25. This will also apply to the G35, G37, and Q40 models. For this bracket, you'll lift the tabs inwards before pulling it out. So the reason why the lock actuator was flopping around is because it's just hanging on by a single bolt. The car was rented at some point, so I assume it got replaced along with the trunk. So maybe all they had was a single bolt and just unscrewed itself. It's hard to see here, but this bolt was kind of bent. And we'll just cut to the panel. And that's good enough for me. Thanks for watching.